Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting names and birth dates from parents or the class roster. Enter them as mm/dd to keep formatting consistent. Once done, pick your medium, large poster board for a hallway display or an 11x17 sheet for classroom use or a digital slide if you project. Make sure you have markers, a ruler, sticky labels, and a laminator if you want durability. Now, lay the chart flat, mark month columns evenly, and position the title area at the top so layout decisions come first. You draw 12 clearly labeled month columns across the board, keeping equal width to avoid crowding. Once the grid is ready, write each student name on a sticky label with their day number and stick it into the correct month column. Sort names by day to make scanning fast. Make sure to color code by grade or group using highlighter or colored dots so you can identify cohorts at a glance. If space gets tight, abbreviate names or use initials plus a color key at the side. You finish by securing the chart for longevity, laminate, or place in a plastic sleeve, then mount it at student eye level so everyone can find birthdays easily. Once done, keep a master editable copy, digital or spare paper, to add late entries or corrections quickly. Make sure to set a routine, update after enrollment changes, and check dates at the start of each term. If names are missing or dates wrong, use spare labels and follow a simple correction protocol so the display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.